everyone, I'm Didi.
Hey everybody, Arma here, Chi Skills, and welcome to this little announcement. So on the 10th of June, we'll be organizing a 2-hour live Zoom workshop about awakening the energy body.
Yeah, and it will be such a fun way to connect with you. And it's one of the most important exercises. Great when you're starting out your training, but also great if you've been training and been missing this aspect of energy in your training.
Absolutely. So the workshop consists of 2 parts, and in the first part we'll be focusing on the energy between the hands, awakening the energy there, followed by a Q&A, and then the second part, exercises for the whole body, also followed by a Q&A to make sure you've got it.
Yeah, and it's, as we said before, on the 10th of June at 7:30 p.m. Central European Time. I'll put a link for a time converter so you can check out what time it is where you live. And the workshop will be €45. And there will be recording. So if you want to train with the video later on, that will be available for 30 days.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can, recap and, and then and go through it again and again and again, so that you have it. Okay.
Yeah. So hope to see you there.
Absolutely. Okay. Take care. Bye.
Bye.